option to destroy or salvage something I have gained. And I'm no longer tempted, feel exempted from the pressures of a lifetime. So I'll have my fantasies, let them take me where they'd like to go. I am content to have my bad days, no longer need to hide the pain. Secret, but I keep it to myself until it killed us.